Money loves you. Money is obsessed with you. Money literally wants to come into your life all the time. Money is your bitch. Money is your bestie. Money is coming to your life as we speak, okay? You get paid to exist. You make money in your sleep, yada, yada, yada. Like, money is just adores you, cherishes you, respects you, appreciates you, loves you. Money is everywhere. Money is fucking everywhere. It's falling out of the sky. You walk around the world, like, everyone's offering you money. Like, money, you can never not have enough. Like, money is just like everywhere. Money is calling your name. Money fucking loves you. Okay, so claim it. Fucking claim it. Or else I will. Or we can both.